Imagine transforming your wildest ideas into stunning, cinematic visuals with the power of AI circumflex Euros. That's the reality with OpenAI's Sora. Today, we're diving deep into the step-by-step process of creating captivating videos using Sora, unlocking your creative potential through our iPod storytelling. Our journey begins with prompt engineering, the art of crafting precise instructions for Sora. Think of it as speaking the language of AI visuals. You'll want to be descriptive, specifying not just the subject, but also the mood, lighting, camera angles, and even the desired artistic style. For example, instead of a cat, try a fluffy ginger cat with emerald green eyes, playfully chasing a laser pointer in a sun-drenched, minimalist living room, shot with a shallow depth of field. Next, we focus on scene composition. Sora excels at interpreting spatial relationships. Consider how you want elements to interact within the frame. Think about foreground, middle ground, and background. Do you want a minimalist aesthetic or a busy, dynamic scene? Your prompts will guide Sora to arrange these elements cohesively. Finally, we weave these visuals into a compelling narrative through creative storytelling. Sora can generate individual clips, but the true magic happens when you string them together to tell a story. Think about the arc of your narrative. What is the beginning, middle, and end? How do your generated scenes build tension, evoke emotion, and deliver your message? By mastering prompt engineering, thoughtfully composing your scenes, and applying creative storytelling techniques, you can harness Sora's power to bring your unique visions to life like never before. The future of video creation is here, and it's driven by your imagination.